I don't think you get it. You tell me why.
Improving, sir. And
improving how? You're smoking last night.
You will never do it again.
I would never do it again. Like, it's
either going to end up in prison or in a casket.
This is so hard. I told him I was only messing up at work because of this.
Don't shake your head because you have no idea. You think you know too much. But I'm going to show you about what you do now. You have nobody to blame for this but you.
This smiling entitled brat rolled into court thinking he was getting a slap on the wrist, but what he's really facing is life in prison for brutally beating his girlfriend, and the details are very bad. His whole argument is, I'm just 18, this is my first charge, and he can't even fake remorse without his lawyer coaching him like it's a school play. You can literally watch the confidence drain from his face as the hearing goes on. Judge Simpson was just a masterclass in this one. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think this kid deserves for what he did. Let's dive in and watch.
Not at all, right? In fact, I'm just going to guess. I don't know your mom, but I'm just going to guess she's probably told you not to do it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you don't listen to her, and you're not listening to me or the court. You just want to play by your own rules, don't you?
No, sir. No, I don't.
Because otherwise you wouldn't have done it last night. Man, how old are you?
18 now.
When was your birthday?
December 21st, 2006. It's my birthday.
So he turned 18 this, as I told the court, it was charged originally in a juvenile matter, and then it was dismissed and they recharged as adult.
You understand, young man, that you are facing a life offense.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. And it's taken a lot for me to realize what position I am in, and
I don't think you get it. You found yourself in a position where maximum penalty is life or any term of years. Have you graduated high school?
No, sir.
No, you haven't even graduated high school and you're facing a life offense. And then somebody just gives you some simple rules to follow, some simple things not to do. And you can't do that. You can't follow your mother's rules. You can't follow the court's rules. You can't follow any rule. So you tell me why, if you're just going to throw away your life, why I shouldn't just lock you up right now?
No.
You tell me why.
Improving, sir. And
improving how? You're smoking last night. Tell me how that's an improvement.
I do it. I'm gonna tell you why. I usually need to study or focus study, and it helps me focus while studying. I listen to music, and I honestly no harm for it. And
you will never do it again.
I would never do it again. I can do it whenever. I'm not addicted to it or anything. I just like it because it helped me study.
Great.
I got good. My grades are improved now. Back since I've been out. I've been having
Did you tell your mother you needed something to help you study?
I said I prefer. I actually.
Did you tell your mother that?
No. No, sir.
Because you're just so grown, you took it on your own.
Sorry. I was trying to do things on my own, and clearly I messed up, and this just shows that I need my mother to supervise me and to.
You're not listening to her. I don't, and I'll be honest with you, I went through the bond form, Mr. McGoes. I don't understand how he has a PR bond. I don't.
So the family would not be able to make a high cash bond or a significant money bond. He came to the court with no prior history of any misconduct. He is high school senior, on track, graduate. I explained to the magistrate how the family has all come together to take care of this, help assist this young man through this time. He's on a tether, on house arrest. All he is able to do is go to school and church. And I believe those are the two places that he's gone to.
Yeah, those are two places that I've only been.
He is not a risk of committing any offenses, not a risk of
Yes, he is.
any.
Because he did it already.
It's possible, and not to excuse anything here, Judge, but it's possible that I didn't explain the conditions sufficiently to this young man.
How's that feel with your sword in your chest?
I don't think I understand the court.
I don't mind attorneys falling on the sword for their client,
Thank
but
you.
this young man is not listening.
This attorney is trying his best to paint the kid as some innocent first-time offender, but let's be real, nobody in that room is buying it. This isn't some little slip-up you bounce back from with community service. The dude's accused of beating his girlfriend so bad she needed serious medical attention. And that's not even the full story. After getting hit with those charges, he still thought it was a good idea to smoke weed the day before court. That alone tells you he's not ready for freedom. He came into court smirking, probably thinking the judge would feel bad for him, but that smile's about to disappear real quick. I mean, he's playing dumb, he's literally getting coached, and he's just hoping everybody forgets how serious this whole thing is. Do you guys think this kid deserves life in prison? How long would you guys sentence this kid?
He is not. He is just going to decide to do things his way. And I think his problem is he's running to the wrong judge to try to do stuff his own way.
Understood, Judge. I would suggest that perhaps if he were to test regularly and prove to Your Honor that he does respect the court, does understand what he needs to do.
You know, Mr. Margolis, I don't mean to interrupt you.
No worries.
It's almost not so much about respecting the court, although I do require that. But you know, I'm sitting up there watching on the Zoom screen, and I see his mom just standing beside her child. And it's the fact that you don't respect her that is really irritating me. And because of that, you're not even doing the things to respect yourself. You're an 18-year-old kid up here facing life for what? And again, I don't know your mom, but you got these charges come up. You got your mom scared to death.
If Your Honor would like to speak with her, she'd be more than happy to talk to the court. Right?
I'll tell you what, I'll hear from Mom on
Your Honor, and I probably mentioned this already, but he's in his last semester. My concern is that if he's detained for